I'll be trying out the boho braids for the very first time. The style is all over the place. It really looks beautiful when you see them. So I decided to try it out. But I'll be using the pre-stretched expression and a deep wave hair extension. Right here I'm starting at the back. It's really challenging to braid the back, back deep and all of that. So I got this mirror and it was really helpful. And you need to have like a mirror also behind you. That way you can see a little bit more. So with the hair extension, I'm feeding in 4 of them, and then feeding in 2 or 3 of the deep wave. Because the pre-stretched expression is 52 inches, I just didn't want this to be too full. So if you want yours to be full, if you're going to try it out, you probably want to use more of the deep wave or whatever coily hair extension you're using, and then you may want to start feeding it in right at the bottom of the strand. So I also made a video, a very detailed tutorial on how to do fitting braids. You can check it out as well. So here I'm wrapping the deep wave around my hair. You could also use some clips if you like. So at some point in this video I also used clips. So whatever works for you to get the hair out of the way while you braid, then you can do that. So I braided and put more of the deep wave. I mean, like I said, I used about 3 for each strand. And then I braided all the way out. And I'm also adding gel. There's some braiding gels that you could find, and those also are very helpful to make the hair shine and keep it smooth as well. So I'm braiding it all the way through to the end. Now some braiders might not want to do that with the actual human hair because they're probably gonna it's probably gonna be coily. But this is hair expression, so I just want to braid it out all the way to the tips. So this is what it looks like. I'm also applying a coily gel, and all the products that I've used for this hair will be listed in the description section, so you can check them out if you want to try out this style. It's really long actually, and I regretted using that long hair extension since it's my first time, and you're gonna see why towards the end of this video. So right here I've braided quite a few, and it's not looking that bad for a first time trial. So it's you need to at least try to make the pattern look a little bit equal for each row. So that's what I was trying to do there. I'm blessed with a long hair, and if you're interested to see my hair relaxing routine, I also made a video about that. Feel free to check it out, and the type of relaxer that I use for my hair. So you need to keep your hair moisturized, and that will help also help the braid with some shine. So I'm also applying gel. I think the gel that I used here is the Shine and Jam gel. So I'm slowing this down here so you can see how I'm fitting in the braids. So like I mentioned before, I used four of these. So for the first one, this is the second. And continue to fit in until you get the right size that you want. And you may want to try to be consistent with the number that you're fitting in for each strand, kind of to keep that size consistent all through. So I'm breaking it out right here a little bit before adding the deep wave. And like I said, you can add right at the bottom to have that to make it full if that's how you want the hair to look. So but I'm braiding this out a little bit before pulling out that strand. So you keep braiding, and you can put more of the coily hair extension. Like I said, I used just 3 because I didn't want it to be so full. So you can use even up to 6 or 7 if you want. So just keep braiding it down. And pull that out and continue to braid. So like I said, I was applying a coily gel all through, and that kind of kept the curls together. So it's coming together. It's not bad. Yeah. So I'm just gonna speed it up here real quick. And keep fitting in, keep braiding. Now, it depends on the kind of hair extension that you used. For me, here towards the end, I did not apply hot water because I wasn't sure if that would straighten out the curls. So towards the end of the video, you would see what I used instead of hot water. So keep braiding, keep fitting in. So here I used, this is the clips that I talked about earlier. This works as well to help keep the hair out of the way while you keep braiding.
darlings, gotta get them fed, but amidst the chaos, one thing's for sure, we'll step out the door, feeling secure. 'Cause there's a little secret that we hold in our busy lives, it's worth its weight in gold. Girl, mom, hair hacks, here to save the day. With a twisted braid, we're on our way.
So as you can see here, I was exhausted at this point, which was why I regretted using the 52-inch on my very first trial. If you want to try this for the first time, you might want to use maybe a shorter hair extension, unless of course you're prepared to stay indoors for the entire day, because this took me almost a full day. So I was just so tired, but just still wanted to get through it and get it done.
It's more than hair, it's moments we share, creating memories with love and care. Girl, morning rushes to nighttime tales. With these hacks, love never fails. It's more than hair, it's moments we share. Wake up in the morning with the day's plan in my head. Three little darlings, gotta get them fed, but amidst the chaos, one thing's for sure, we'll step out the door.
As you can see, this is I finally got it done. Yeah, and now I'm applying mousse. So I'm going to use just mousse without using hot water, because I don't know, like I said before, I don't know if it's just going to stretch out all of the curls. So I use mousse, and then I also used the braid spray. So look at it, I think it's looking pretty good. Use the spray just to give it a shine. Yes, I finally made it. Looks nice and clean. As you can see, and for me, this is full. I know some people would probably prefer something that is much fuller, but this was actually what I wanted. So it turned out just the way I wanted it to be. Yeah, so this is done with just the regular pre-stretched expression hair extensions and a deep wave. So it's done, and then you can, maybe style it however you prefer, and whatever works for you. Just trying out a couple of styles here. Yeah. Anyway, I made it. Thanks for sticking around with me till the end. But this is the Knotless Boho Braids. Feel free to check out other styles on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe,